All right, welcome back. Today on our little Derek Burleson art vlog, we talked about yesterday, or it was the day before, I can't remember, about starting your art classes. The one before that was about pricing your artwork, your originals. Well, today we're going to talk about making prints of your originals and how to price those, whether you're going to sell them on your online store or in person at a show, a craft fair, art fair. We're going to go through those. So the first ones I want to do is I offer 8 by 10s and 11 by 14s in prints that we do ourselves. We got a nice printer that'll do, I think it does up to 13 by 17 or 11 by 17. I don't remember. All right, I'm back. You ever get where you start to talk and your throat gets dry and you're like, I got a cough. So I take a little break. I went and got me some water. So anyway, let's get back to, we're talking about pricing our prints. Now, the ones I make, I do 8 by 10s and I do 11 by 14s for a show. And what we do is we have our printer I was telling you about, and we print them onto, and I believe this is either semi-gloss or a matte photo type paper. Then we frame it, and I sign it down here. It's put into this cellophane little envelope with a little cardboard, 8 by 10 piece of cardboard, so it's nice and sturdy. It's in the cellophane, so it keeps it protected. Again, signed, and then on the back I put my stickers. And it has a little QR code to go right to my website if they want to order more or order other things. Now this is the 8 by 10 that we make. And then this is the 11 by 14. Same thing, just bigger. I also signed it. Same thing on the back, cardboard, cellophane. So it's the same thing. We sell those at our show, and I don't know, and I know we do a buy two, get one free. I know they're a little cheaper at our shows than they are online. I can't really tell you online because we went to a new web host, and we just had some numbers in there, I think, that, from the others, because that includes shipping and handling and tax from our online. So it's a little bit more expensive than in person, because I don't have to package it, take it down, mail it, and whatever that's going to cost me, because we got them right at the show, so I can charge a little cheaper, and then whatever the tax is for that show. So that's those. And then we also do cutting boards. You know, I'll do I think our cutting boards are 8 by 11, something like that. I don't remember, but we sell those. Now, on our website, I also do my prints on canvas. Now, I go through a company called Luma Prints. They're not sponsoring this video. It's just who we use. I really like them, and I'll tell you why. Now, this is a canvas print of one of my paintings. Now, this is a little bit darker than what my painting is. My painting, the water was a lot more vibrant and white. Not Luma Print's fault. This was my fault. We got into our program and we made the program a little bit dark. I need to go in, lighten up the whites, make the whites brighter, and get it more back to its original. That was my fault. But still, look at the color. Look how tight it is. Nice, about 3/4 inch wood. The wood looks like it's probably a poplar. It's a really good wood. It's wrapped, stapled. Now we got a couple staples missing here, but I might have done those when we were moving stuff around. But they got a wire on the back, and then they come with a little holder, if you want, or a hanger, so you can hang it. Now this is an unframed 8 by 10, and online These run $49.99. That's not bad. That's not bad for an original painting. Remember I told you how we did the embellishment on another one, and on another video, and that's kind of what we did here. Or not here. I'm sorry. That's what we did it on one of these when we did the embellishment. It was a barn. That's not. This one's not embellished. All right, and now, oh, and the 8x10s, I think online, they're $49.99 unframed. They're $64.99 framed. Then we also sell 11x14s. They're $59.99 framed, and they are 89.99 framed. That's for an 11x14. Now this is a 16x20, and you can see it's on canvas. This has a floating frame. I put the floating frame on. Got it. They wired it on the back. As you can see, it's got the hangers. It's got stapled. Like I said, I screwed the floating frame on it. But as you can see, now this one turned out just about like the original. Now the original was a commission piece, so I don't have it. But the people I sold, I did the commission for, they allowed me to use that picture to make prints. So I appreciate that from them, and thank you. That's a 16x20, and that was framed, so that would be $114.99 online. Unframed 16x20 would be $74.99. So, and then we also go up to 18x24, and I don't have any of those. The unframed of it's $99.99, and the framed is $129.99. So if you really think about it, you take an 18x24 print framed, that's, $129 is not a bad price. So I really, really enjoy Luma prints and having that availability. But now let's get in. That was my pricing. I'm here in the Midwest. So what is your pricing? I don't know. It depends on where you're at. Best way to do that is when you go to art shows or you go to craft shows. Look for other vendors. Now, craft shows is a little bit different because there's not always a lot of artists at craft shows that are selling their art. There are some. I've been to some where I was the only artist there, so, which made it really nice. So look and see what they're doing. I might have my 8x10s at the show. I might have them $9.99. I don't know. And then I sell them online. Again, I don't know. I'm not going to tell you that price because heck, it might be $20 online, but that also includes its shipping, handling, and tax. So it's just a flat 20. This, if it's $9.99 or $8.99 or whatever it is at the show, let's just say it's $10, and then by the time I take it down, I have it wrapped, add tax, and have it shipped. It could be without my handling fee, it might be 15, 16, probably $16, $17. And then I have $3 or $4 or $5 for my handling because I wrap them up. I buy the stuff to wrap them. I take them down. I drive them down to me or my wife, we drive them down to the UPS store or US postal office or somewhere like that, whatever it is. So yeah, they're cheaper at the shows. But again, don't quote me on what the price is online because it has a price, but we are resetting some of those in the next few days. So anyway, and then 11x14, same thing. It might be $13.99 or $14.99 on at a show. So they are cheaper at a show than they are online, just because I don't have to. All I have to do is just charge the tax. So anyway, yeah, like I said, look and see what other people are charging around here. If I see somebody and they're at an art fair and they have an 8x10 picture, they're probably charging somewhere around $8, $9, $10 for that. Now again, I always sign mine. Every one of them I sign, so it has my signature. Adds a little bit more to it. Not necessarily it's going to be worth more money, but people look at it and they go, oh, well, they took the time to actually sign it, and that's really nice. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this. This was just a quickie on how I price my work and how you should price your work. But again, the main thing is look around, see what things are going for in your area. Or if you're going to sell online, go online and look and see what other artists or craftspeople are selling their product for, and be competitive with them. You know, don't you can undercut as much as you want. That's up to you. But again, don't take a loss. Make sure you're making a profit. You don't want to charge too little, and then you don't want to charge too much, or people's not going to. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this. If you have any questions, put them in the comments. I'll answer them. If I can't answer it, I'll find the answer, as we say every time. And I hope you have a great week. Today's Friday, so I'll probably do another one of these. This will probably post on Monday, and then I'll do another one on Monday, Monday or Tuesday to post for probably Wednesday. So anyway, and if you have any topics you'd like me to discuss, let me know. But anyway, thanks for watching.